Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people are known for espousing the virtue of thrift, even in the kitchen. Winter melon fung is a simple Hakka dish that used to be made from leftovers. Hakka in southern Taiwan use soy sauce with spices and the flavor tends to be saltier, while in the north, the taste tends to be lighter. Winter melon fung from Kaohsiung's Meinong Township is the most popular.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係林澤秀。This month, again, we're talking about food and also a place to go for the Tongflower Blossom next month. 所以呢，今天呢，一开始呢，我们还是要介绍一些客家的美食，然后之后再介绍一些可以去赏桐花的地方。
好，
Okay?
没问题。
我最近听说一个东西叫冬瓜风，一直很好奇是什么。
哦，冬瓜风哦。
冬瓜风啊，对啊。
它就是用那个冬瓜嘛，冬瓜哈，然后用卤汁，我们捞控肉嘅控肉米。
哦。是卤控肉吗？
对，卤控肉的那个汁，然后把那个冬瓜放下去，然后卤到它变成像金黄色啊，有点像那种变成那种很香的啊，有点像猪肉，但是又不太像。
我已经不想讲话，我只要听 Leo 一直讲下去，就肚子饿了。
已经流口水了，对不对
？This is great. Okay, it's a squash dish called 冬瓜风 or in Hakka
冬瓜风。
冬瓜风. Basically, they use marinated meat sauce and cook it together with a squash, and it just sounds awfully tasty. 而且我听说好像南部跟北部的做法有点不太一样。
没错没错，那个南部南部跟 Viso 它是用那个卤汁，然后再加点酱油，还有再加一点辣椒，所以它味道就比较浓了，就是有咸咸的，然后会比较辣一点。那北部呢，可能就是比较清淡一点，就可以吃到那个冬瓜的清甜的香味
啊，就所谓喜欢吃重咸还是喜欢吃清淡就对了。
哦，对对。
So if it's from the south, it's actually heavier in taste. They add a bit of soy sauce. They put a little bit of chili peppers in it as well to spice it up a little bit. But if it's from the north, it's basically a little light. And so you can enjoy it both ways. All right, with that said, enough food. It's time to take you to another place to enjoy the Tongflower Blossom.
我们吃完这个东西啦，当然就要喝点饮料啊，所以我们就到了古坑去喝咖啡。
咖啡，
咖啡，没错。
所以去那边呢，喝个咖啡，顺便也可以赏桐花。
对啊，那边的桐花也是非常非常漂亮的。
There you have it. If you like coffee and would like to enjoy the flower blossom with coffee, go to Gukeng. That's the place to be. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.